I do it again? Whew. Well, I've been on this camera in a minute. It's been too long since I've been on this camera. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. I know it's been a long time no see, but I like y'all don't know me. So for today's video, since this is the first video in a long time, I've been seeing a lot of y'all, even though I haven't been posting, I've been still watching y'all comments and stuff. And on the last video I did of me drifting my Beamer, clearly a lot of y'all want to see some more of that, but I couldn't because I haven't welded the diff. Long story on why I didn't want to weld the diff, but make a long story short, that we welding this today. We welding this hoe today. I literally just took it out my hand, still dirty. This is the diff, open automatic diff, for sure the gear ratio. Y'all know, whoever know about E-46, y'all know about it. It's a short gear one. Just took it up out of here. So my dad's friend's gonna do it for me, but I don't know if it's windy or not, but my dad's friend's gonna do it for me, but he won't be off till around 2, he said. So I just took it out now. I'm gonna finish the rest of the cars around here that I gotta finish, and then whenever it's time to go over there, I will see you guys again. All right, guys, we are on the way to take the diff. Even though it's past 2 o'clock, we on the way. Oh my bad. Safety first, kids. Put your seatbelts on. Feel me? You don't want to fly out the goddamn windshield. Jesus, hot. 80 degrees, my ass. It's about 180 degrees. Okay, we made it here. Finally. There's our diff. Okay, let's go. It's nice right there. I like that. Huh? I like that bike. And here's the gun you needed. Got it all cleaned up in there. Almost time. Damn, that thing is spicy. It's causing traction. We're getting there, guys. Want water? Almost done. Yeah, I'll take one of those, please. Almost done. We gotta weld the other side, and then we're ready to go throw this thing back in. I don't know, I might not make a video of me sliding it today. I might do that tomorrow because it's 4:30 and it's almost time for me to go home. But I don't know. I might decide to stay. Okay, we are back to the shop. Back to the car. Got our diff. Nice and welded. Something slight. So he told me that when I bring it here to put like a big glob of grease in it before I fill it up. So that all the bearings and stuff, because I fired it up when I cleaned it. So he told me to put some grease in there so I can grease all the seals back up, everything can move freely, and then fill it back up with the fluid. So I'm just gonna do that now. I gotta find out what kind of fluid goes in that diff anyway. I don't even know. Let me go check on the computer real quick to see what kind of fluid goes in that diff. All right, y'all, so I got the diff back in, ready to start it up. Diff is back. I'm gonna start it up and I'm gonna let it run in the air and let everything get lubricated and all that good stuff first before I decide to actually pull it out and drive it. Let's start this bad boy up. Y'all haven't heard my car in a minute. Start up. They both spinning. They're both spinning. Finna cap. I gotta slide it one time. I got to. I'm excited. Let's go see how she drives. Put y'all over there. Here. I'm gonna let my dad record me while I slide it a little bit. So good, I can't wait. Oh my gosh, that thing slide good. Hold on, y'all. Oh my gosh, that's how the car's supposed to slide. I'm so happy. I'm ready to take this thing to a car meet right now. I ain't even playing no more. Your boy ain't gonna have no tires soon though. No cap, somebody go ahead and sponsor me with some tires. You feel me? Clearly I'm gonna need them. But anyways, let me finish putting these cars in and stuff, and then I'll finish talking with y'all later. So I guess this is day 2 of this video. So yesterday, when I was trying to record the video, I was driving around. I had just got it on the GoPro. I was just about to get ready to start sliding from the inside of the car. And then, I don't know, something happened to my GoPro. The GoPro just died, and then it wouldn't charge up. And then I lost all the footage that I had. So, yeah, so this is gonna be the first, well, not really the first slides, but like, kinda the first slides with the GoPro on. I'm not really gonna drive the car because I'm not supposed to be driving it right now because my tag is expired. So just to end the video, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how it is from the inside. That noise. Quick little slide right here. Got someone coming. Come on, I don't want to go. Clearly I'm letting you go for a reason. Okay. Let's do this. See how fucked up my tires are real quick. I'll do it again. I know, that's why I put them on there. Yeah, send it to me, hold on. Yeah, I just put those on there just to slide them. Just to burn them. Yeah, you can snap on Instagram. My snap is all right, man. Appreciate it. You can send me that on Snap. All right, bro. Oh, my tire busted. I get my tire. Tire's busted. Flat as hell. Whatever. I love it though. Let y'all see these tires. Them things over wet. Oh man, I freaking love this car. But anyway, y'all, I was gonna talk to you guys more about why I haven't been posting. I guess I'll do that since I said I was. I don't really have an explanation for why I haven't been posting. Just been busy. I haven't really wanted to do that to the Beamer, but I did it anyway because I was like, fuck it, I don't got any other content, and I know a lot of y'all been asking me about sliding that car and making more content like that. So I just said forget it, went full send and went ahead and welded the diff, and I guess I can make more videos like that because that car has a lot more potential, or it had a lot more potential, and I unlocked some more of it welding the diff. I didn't want to weld the diff on the Beamer because that was my daily, and with the diff weld, it pretty much takes that dailiness away, and I have a little daughter, so don't want to really put her in that. Probably still daily it for a little bit, but yeah, that's pretty much it. But as of right now, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you all for watching. Thank y'all for all y'all support, and y'all will be seeing a lot more of that car now that I got the diff welded. But yeah, I guess thanks for watching. See y'all in the next one.